Stop by and take a look at the 2022 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.